Three sample forms, three different UV stories. Solutions. We usually plot absorbance. Here on y-axis we have absorbance, on x-axis we have wavelength. Thin film also absorbance, but thickness changes everything. Powder usually DRS, reflectance, not absorbance. UV-Vis is light in. Light interacts with the sample. Detector measures what comes out. Absorption happens when photons promote electrons, and we record that as a spectrum. This is absorbance. T is transmittance, how much light passes. Absorbance is just transmittance on a log scale. If T is equal to 1, this means absorbance is equal to 0. If T is equal to 0, absorbance is equal to 1. Here I naught is basically intensity before the sample. Here this is the light. So before the interaction, that intensity is I naught. Here this intensity is after interaction, mean when light transmit from the sample. So that intensity is called I. So in simple words, I naught is before the sample, I is after the sample. More absorbance mean smaller I. So A goes up. Now the blank problem. Blank is not optional. The blank must be the same cuvette and the same solvent without the sample. Sample is same cuvette, same solvent plus material. If blank is wrong, your UV region can become fake. This sentence saves your data. Blank equals solvent plus cuvette. If you scan UV, use quartz. Glass or plastic can absorb UV and distort everything. Also wipe fingerprints, avoid bubbles. Now solutions. In solutions, absorbance track concentration. Path length is usually 1 centimeter. So more concentration, higher the peaks. Solutions often show peaks. If the peak top flatten, you are too concentrated. Dilute and rerun. For quantification, use a calibration curve. Now thin films. Films can show an absorption edge, and films can show ripples that are not peaks. For thin film, we often want absorption coefficient. You must know film thickness. Thickness must be in centimeter, and it matters a lot in UV-Vis analysis. Now powders. With powders, transmission is not the main story. Scattering dominates. Powders are usually measured by DRS. If your instrument show %R, convert it into R, reflectance. Then Kubelka Munk gives you FR. It behaves like an absorbance like signal. Here is the real rule for powders. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share my video.